in appreciation of the sacrificial service and dedication to the students of the institution, we therefore, with sincere gratitude, present to Reverend Edward A. Mangleras this plaque of appreciation for your service as Vice President given at the 5th commencement exercises of Central Luzon Apostolic Institute of Ministries on this 26th day of April in the year of 2024. Signed, Reverend Edward M. Pellegrino, Plain President.
Same, isa lang po ang ibabasahin to Reverend Charlie Zaspa, our section presbyter, also this claim teacher, Reverend Rodante Marquez, Reverend Rudy De La Rosa, Reverend Johnny Sarmiento, Reverend Jerry Yuko, Pastor Wade Pilipino, Pastor Ramona, ating masipag na registered teacher sa online, ang aking may bahay, ang aking Dean of College sa day school, and my daughter, lovely, isa lang po ang laman ng capsule. So, ibigay na po natin. Ilabas niyo siguro, basta may, kasi yun na rin yun. Labas natin, Pastor, para sa picture.